Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Needs of Children. Today, 22nd July 2021, SSLC students has written the exam of second language English. In the part paper number 2, the languages Kannada, English, Hindi. So, in this video, I am going to give you second language English key answer. Question number 41. The child laughed loudly. The part of speech of the underlined word is a an. So, underlined word is loudly. So, the right answer is option A, adverb. Question number 42. Sudhir is dash MP and his wife is dash homemaker. The appropriate articles to be used here are option C, an and a is the right answer. Question number 43. Reena is living tonight. The correct question tag to be used here is. So, your option B, isn't she, is the right answer. Question number 44. I dash to my brother last week. The appropriate tense form of the verb to be used is. So the right answer, option C, wrote, is the right answer. Question number 45. After a long search, we found a hotel dash it was closed. The correct linker to be used here is. The right answer, option A, but, is the right answer. And the next question number 46. The correct prefix to be used to form the opposite of perfect is. The right answer, option B, imperfect. Im is the right answer. And the next question number 47. Machines are replacing the workers. The passive form of the above sentence is. The right answer, option B, the workers are being replaced by machines. The next question, question number 48. There was nothing we could do. It took most of the following winter to buy the trees. The infinitive in the above sentence is. The right answer, option C, to buy. Next question, question number 49. I dash playing football because of the injury. The correct phrasal verb to be used is. The right answer, option D, gave up, is the right answer. Question number 50. The word that collocates with joint is. For this question, option B, account, is the right answer. Question number 51. Raghu went to Mysore to meet his friend. The appropriate question to get the underlined words as answer is. To meet his friend. Option C. Why did Raghu go to Mysore? Option C. Why did Raghu go to Mysore is the right answer. Question number 52. Could you please lend me your book? The language function of the above sentence is. The right answer, option B, request, is the right answer. Question number 53. The word which has one syllable is. Among that, four options. Option C, true, is the right answer. In an official letter, respected sir is known as. Option D, solution is the right answer. Question number 55. Bridges are built dash the river. The correct preposition to be used is. The right answer, across. Bridges are built across the river. Question number 56. If I had bought my camera, we dash taken some photographs. The correct words to be used to complete the if clause sentence are. Option C, would have. If I had brought my camera, we would have taken some photographs. Question number 57. How could a boy fight a tiger? This was said by. Right answer, option C, Swami is the right answer. Next, question number 58. When Swami saw something moving towards him. So the right answer, he hugged it and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. Option B is the right answer. Question number 59. Dr. Anil Agarwal, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. This shows that the right answer, option C, he cared for life. Next, question number 60. Bhaleshwar took Roma to the hospital with the help of. The right answer, option B, a tempo truck driver. Question number 61. Bhaleshwar shouted, let's go and help her. But nobody volunteered because. The right answer, option A, they were afraid of getting involved. Next, question number 62. Identify the activity in which the children of Rio en Medio were not involved after the Americans moved into the house. The right answer, option D, burning the trees is the right answer. Question number 63. The line which suggests that the old man was a farmer is. The right answer, option B, he tilled the same land his people had tilled. Question number 64. A piece of land in which fruit trees are grown is known as. The right answer, option C, orchard. Question number 65. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was described as symbol of revolt by. The right answer, option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. The next question number 66. Mukanayak, Bahishkrita Bharata and Samata were. The right answer, option B, newspapers. Question number 67. The doctors at the cancer hospital said, take him home, give him the things he likes, indulge him. This means that. The right answer, option A, the boy had not many days to live is the right answer. Question number 68. Anant astonished his guru because. The right answer, option B, he was already able to compose his own tunes. Question number 69. Sketching came naturally to Satish as he had always been good at. The right answer, option C, calligraphy. Question number 70. Satish didn't want to go to a new school because. The right answer, option B, everyone would make fun of his deafness. Question number 71. My dad knew his duties. his duty was? The right answer, option C, to build a tree house. Question number 72. Grandma learnt to climb trees from her, right answer, option D, brother. Question number 73. In the poem Quality of Mercy, mercy is compared to, the right answer, option B, gentle rain from heaven. Question number 74. It is uttered in the heart of kings. Here it refers to. The right answer, option C, mercy. Question number 75. Shall I sing of your rock-cut temples, epics in stone? The above lines depict that India is rich in. The right answer, option B, art and architecture. Question number 76. In the poem The Song of India, the poet wants to sing about. The right answer, option A, the Himalayas and the three seas is the right answer. Question number 77. His run-down shoes have paper in them. This line suggests that the jazz player was. Option A, poor is the right answer. Question number 78. You talk of dash. Select the appropriate option to complete the line from the poem The Blind Boy. The right answer, option B, wondrous things you see. Question number 79. Patil, the sub-inspector, wanted to help Mohan's family because he was. The right answer, option B, a friend of Mohan's father. And the last question, question number 80. Hema Aziz gave her children the message that. The right answer, option C, one's duty is the most important thing in life. Option C is the right answer. So this is about today's key answer. I hope you understood. These are all the key answers for the second language, English. So thank you. Have a nice day, and I will come up with next video. Until, keep watching my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.